Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So last time I installed a carbon fiber spoiler on the W205 project car and it turned out great. But what's even better? Let's complement it by installing a carbon fiber roof spoiler. And I was debating, should I get a gloss black version or a carbon fiber? And at the end of the day, I thought the carbon fiber would complement the existing carbon fiber PSM spoiler really well. So let me show you the roof spoiler and then I'll get to the install. So this is the carbon fiber roof spoiler that I'll be installing. This is carbon fiber overlay on top of plastic or fiberglass, which is perfectly fine. It's super shiny, super glossy, and that weave pattern looks amazing. And the carbon fiber is a perfect match to the PSL spoiler, so that's a plus. The only thing is it doesn't come pre-installed with double-sided tape. It comes with something generic like this. I don't use this because I don't really know how good of a hold it actually has. I go out and I buy something stronger like this, 3M super strength molding tape. It's wider, it's thicker, and it's been proven to work really well because I've used it in the past for spoilers, for roof spoilers, for body kits, you name it. This works really well. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean the spoiler with some rubbing alcohol, install the tape, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the car. To make the install a lot easier, I went ahead and scored the center, peeled back some of the red film so it overhangs the spoiler. This way it will allow me to align this on the back window without having to worry that everything is going to stick to it all at once, and then I have to pull it off, put it back on, pull it off, put it back on, and it just ruins the tape. So this will make the install a lot easier. I'm going to put this right onto the windshield, and as soon as I get it perfectly aligned, I can peel back the film, and then I'll apply pressure to the spoiler and lock it down. And again, the roof spoiler is a hit. I think it looks awesome. It matches the carbon fiber spoiler really well. And also at the same time, the contrast between those two parts against the white paint of the car just looks amazing. So next on the list of things to do could be a lot of different things, but to complement those two pieces is probably going to be blacking out the emblem, blacking out the trim, installing the diffuser, the grill, whatever. I got so much coming up. You guys definitely don't want to miss out. So if you like this video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.